In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a space in Wrike. A space in Wrike is your team's home base for work, where projects, tasks, and resources live together with the people who need them. Setting one up from scratch gives you full control over structure, naming, and permissions, so let's walk through it step by step. From your workspace, look to the top right and click the plus icon. In the drop-down that appears, choose Space. If you prefer, you can also open the sidebar, click the small caret on your current space tab, and select plus space from there. Either path opens the same setup window, so use whichever is quicker for you. In the setup window, choose Create Blank. This starts you with a clean slate, which is ideal if you already have a plan for how you want to organize folders, projects, and dashboards. Next, configure the details. Start with the name. Keep it clear and concise, up to 100 characters, and avoid special symbols like commas, semicolons, forward slashes, or backslashes. A good naming pattern makes it easier for everyone to search and recognize the space later. Add a short description that explains the space's purpose, the kind of work it will hold, or who it's for. Think of this like a welcome sign for new members. 1 or 2 sentences is often enough to set the right expectations. Now choose the privacy level. Public makes the space accessible to everyone in your account, which works well for widely shared resources. Private is invite only, so only people you add can see or use it. Locked adds stricter controls to keep membership and content tightly managed, which is helpful when you need tighter oversight. Pick the option that best matches how open or controlled your work needs to be. Customize the icon next. Select a background color and an emoji that fits the team or initiative. A distinctive icon helps people spot the space quickly in the sidebar, especially if they belong to several spaces. Manage members by using the Add Members search bar. Invite individual users or entire groups to save time and assign space admins to those who will maintain structure, membership, and settings. Keeping a small number of admins helps preserve consistency as the space grows. When everything looks good, click Create. Your new space is ready to use. You can start organizing projects and tasks right away, and you can always return to these settings later if your team's needs change. That's all it takes to create a blank space in Wrike with the right name, privacy, visuals, and team access from the start.